Letter sounds and words. This week, remember, we've added in long vowel sounds and we're working on our S blends. Here we go. Letter names and sounds. Letter is A, sound is A and A. Letter is E, sound is E and E. Letter is I, sound is I and I. Letter is O, sound is and O. Letter is U, sound is and U. Letter is Y, sound is Y. Letter is S, sound is S. Letter is T, sound is T. Letter is V, sound is V. Letter is R, sound is Letter is G, sound is G. Letter is H, sound is H. Letter is P, sound is P. Letter is M, sound is M. Letter is N, sound is N. Letter is W, sound is W. Letter is K, sound is K. Letter is J, sound is J. Letter is F, sound is F. Letter is L, sound is OL. Letter is Z, sound is Z. Letter is Q, sound is Qu. Letter is B, sound is B. Letter is X, sound is X. Letter is C, sound is K. And letter is D, sound is D. Okay. Blends, digraphs, and trigraphs. Here we go. SC, sk, scooter. SK, sk, skunk. SL, soul, slide. SM, sm, smile. SN, sn, snake. SP, sp, spoon. ST, st, star. SW, sw, swing. GR, gur, grasshopper. SCR, skr, scream. SPL, spul, splash. FL, full, flower. CH, chick. TR, truck. STR, stir, strawberry. SH, sheep. WH, whale. CR, crayons. GL, gull, globe. SHR, shrek. TW, 12. DR, drum. THR, 3. PL, pull, play. CL, cool, clock. PR, present. FR, fur, frog. BR, bread. SPR, spur, spring. SQU, square. TH, 13. BL, bull, blue. And PH, phone. We're going to do our rhyming game now, okay? So you guys, let's get our thumbs ready. Up for rhymes, down if they don't. Here we go with slap, snap. Snack, stink. Swift, snip. Stick, slick. Scab, slab. Sling, sting. Slip, sled. Swim, slim. Yeah, I tried to trick you. Slam, slot. Stock, smock. Great job, guys. Okay, let's find that beginning S blend. I'll say the word and slide it. You guys tell me what that beginning S blend is. Here we go. Snap. Sn. Swept. Swa. Slip. Soul. Sped. Sp. Skunk. Sk. Swift. Swa. Slam. Soul. Spin. Sp. stopped, and smiling, smiling. Okay, I'm going to say all the sounds. I'm going to pull the S blends apart. You guys are going to put it all back together and tell me what the word is. Wait for my signal. Here we go. Stack, stack. Spell, spell. Skill, skill. Slot, slot. Smudge, smudge. Slim, scan, spend, snug, and slob. Don't be a slob. Clean up after yourself, okay? Here we go. Let's find that medial vowel sound. We're going to ride our roller coaster up to the top and then down the other side, okay? Hey, let's put on our harness to keep us safe in this ride. Here we go. This is going to be a big one. Here we go. Lamb. Fell. Sit. Caught. Cut. Leg. Egg. Pot. Hat. Pill. And nut. Okay, take your harness off. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. Now I'm going to say the word. You guys are going to tell me all the sounds. So get your gum in, chew it up and get nice and soft. Remember, you got to break apart S blends. Give me all the sounds. Here we go. Stack. 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 Spell. 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 Skill. Skill. Slot. Slot. Smudge. Smudge. Slim. Slim. Scan. Scan. Spend. Spend. Snug. Snug. And slob. Slob. Don't be a slob. Clean up. Okay, time to change up the S blend. I'm going to change it out, bring in the new one. Tell me what the new word is. Sled. Take away sul, put in sp. Sped. Snip. Take away sn, put in sk. Skip. Spill. Take away sp, put in st. Still. Swag. Take away swa, put in sn. Snag. And stand. Take away st, put in sk. Scan. Great job. Okay, time to add an S blend. Okay, I'm going to give you the rhyme, give you the S blend, tell me what the whole word is. End, add sp. Spend. Ill, add sk. Skill. Am, add swa. Swam. Etch, add sk. Sketch. And am, add soul. Slam. Good. I'm going to take away the S blend now. Tell me what's left. Here we go. Spam. Take away sp. Am. Still. Take away st. Ill. Spend. Take away sp. End. Scat. Take away sk. At. And skin. Take away sk. In. Okay, let's finish off with our nursery rhyme. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Here we go, let's say it all together. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Great job, you guys. Have fun. See you later.